So right now I am using the web version of Prezi Video, and if you want to download out a desktop version of Prezi Video, then while Prezi Video is opened up, on the top right hand side you can see Get Desktop App is an option. And if you were to click on this, then what happens is that Prezi video installation file for your desktop download option will appear. So you can choose a folder where you can save out the file right here. So you can see that Prezi Video Installer has been downloaded, and if you were to click on this, what happens is that you can go around and then install out Prezi Video. So it downloads out additional video files. So I'm just going to get out of the browser now, just like this. Go keep it on the side for now, and you can see this is the Prezi Video. So depending on your internet connection speed, it will download out the files in a certain speed and will install out Prezi Video on your computer. So it is almost done. So it's 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and 1 second. And now the download is complete, and now Prezi Video will be installed in your computer. So it's installing, as you can see right here. And once it's installed, you can see that it says welcome to Prezi Video, and you can see the Prezi Video icon over here on the desktop over here as well. So it connects with your browser, and you can see that Prezi Video is here, just like this. So this is the file, as you can see right here. So Prezi Video is now installed on your computer, as you can see right here. And now you can start working around with Prezi Video right from your desktop as well, just like this. So that is how you can install out Prezi Video app on your desktop. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.